Nairobi.
Kwa kanuni Jodak ma Siaya oyudo resruok e thieth mar tuo sukari bang' riwruok mar Chronic Disease Society of Africa bago thieth kanyo. Chenrono mane obagi kar tiegruok mar Siaya KMTC noywayo jopiny moyudo resruok mag pim kod thieth. Jota chenrogo nolero ni gikawo okang' makamano mar konyo jotuo mathoth ma tuo sukari osebedo ka hinyo ngimagi to ok ginyal yudo resruok mayot.
We aim to diagnose as well as help manage them, give them information that they can use to help even when they are at home and on follow-up in their local health facilities. And of course, at the eventuality to prevent complications which are related to these two conditions, which are mainly related to issues related to the heart and chronic kidney disease. So our aim today is to screen the population and to be able to pick up any issues that might arise as a result of this.
We have realized that the disease burden of diabetes in this area is very high. And if you look at the population of the people, they don't have any access to a diabetologist or an endocrinologist. So partnering with Kenya Diabetes Study Group, we had a privilege of talking to the secretary, Dr. Nicola Okech. Dr. Nicola Okech comes from this area and she wanted to give back to the society here. So she wanted to see patients who are already living with diabetes here and see if they're having good patient journeys and tracking their quality of life.
Today I was lucky to have come for a free medical camp at the Siaya Medical Training Center. It was a very humbling experience. Madaktari ni wazuri. I got free medication for 1 month.